The Maverick continues to reflect on World Cup football greatness and excellence this evening as we venture into the German camp to look at one of, if not the greatest pure defender the world has ever seen, the man they called the Kaiser, Franz Beckenbauer, the unmistakable leader of the West German team that won the World Cup title in 1974. Beckenbauer was a midfielder turned defender and is the man credited with inventing the libero or the sweeper position in football. Beckenbauer was the epitome of authority and leadership on the football field. He was in the German team that controversially lost to England in the 1966 World Cup final. And after missing out in 1970, the Kaiser returned to lead the Germans to World Cup glory on home soil in 1974. I personally think that Franz Beckenbauer was way ahead of his time in terms of the kind of defender he was. Excellent reader of the game and brilliant with the ball at his feet, as shown by his goal-scoring exploits when he ventured forward. Franz Beckenbauer also holds the distinction of being one of only two individuals to have won the World Cup title as a player in 1974 and then as the German coach in 1990. Generally in football, offensive players get all the glory and accolades. But in France, Anton Beckenbauer, not only was he one of the best all-round defenders in the history of the game, but was a player who led his team from the front as they marched to the ultimate football glory. Franz Beckenbauer, the Kaiser, another World Cup champion and football great. Get it straight?